This is my 2024 Kawasaki KLR Adventure model. I've had it just over 1 year and just a little over 7,000 miles. And it's not a commuter. It's my weekend ride. I've been out pretty much every weekend playing in the mountains of Montana. This thing has taken me to Oregon and Idaho and the Yak, northwest Montana. I mean, if you're thinking about a KLR, stop thinking, just do it. It is a surprisingly wonderful little bike. Sure, it's not the fastest, it's not the prettiest girl at the dance, but there's something about it. She just gets it done.